Windows 8 is going to be a very special experience. Prior to now, everybody's known Microsoft for dominating reach and scale and connected experiences across MSN, the Xbox, and the Windows Phone. But we never had the operating system engaged in that ecosystem. Now, with Windows 8, it's not just pivoting around productivity, which every Windows release has been known for. We're now going to pivot off of the consumer. So when you come into your start page, it's going to be a whole new experience, tile-based, very swipe-oriented and touch and feel, and it's going to be personalized right down to your Facebook, your Twitter accounts. All of your pictures are going to be right there live in front of you. And all of our apps that appear on the homepage, so weather, news, sports, they're going to be executed by us, and we're going to have advertising integrated across each one of the apps.
So what's the opportunity for publishers to supply content? Do you split the revenue? Or how does that work?
Absolutely. So every publisher who adds an app into the portfolio of apps that we have in the marketplace, we will work with them in order to execute a deal where they take a share of the revenue for all the ads that we sell into the network. And the same ads will appear across the network of advertisers. And the most unique thing also about Windows 8 and the apps that will appear is it'll be a common look and feel. So for every execution, if you're some of our competitors, you'll notice that if you go to different apps, it's a different experience. It's not the same in order to navigate. Within our ecosystem, all of our apps will have the same type of navigation elements across each one.
What about partners that want to sell their own ads and they split it with you, or how does that work?
Partners who want to sell their own ads can also do so by choosing either their own ad control, somebody else's ad control, third party, and they are allowed to sell their own, because it's critical for us to get a critical mass of apps in order for the users to integrate in the most highest consumer-oriented experience.
What can we expect to see when this thing goes live in terms of the so-called App Store or the availability of apps?
We're expecting to aggressively pursue 100,000 plus apps over the first 3 months. Now, when Windows 8 goes live on October 26th, the marketplace, the available marketplace, is 1 billion plus consumers. And in order to reach our goal, which is a conservative estimate of 400 million units in marketplace by July 1st, we know that we have to have a very, very healthy ecosystem of apps. And we're putting millions of dollars against that effort and working with publishers in order to get their apps live as quickly as possible. There's 3 things that make Windows 8 a guaranteed success. It's the massive distribution with 1 billion in the marketplace and 400 million by July 1st units in market. Then it's also about the same experience across all devices within the Microsoft family, not just across the PC, but across mobile, across Xbox, and across the phone. So it's a unique experience where we're going to have the same experience for everyone. And then third, we're going to have beautiful, relevant, and useful ads. So all of the ads are going to be integrated. They're not going to be a disruptive for the user consumer experience, but beautiful, relevant, and useful. And the integration in the marketplace to be able to do advertising on a canvas like this is like no other, because there's things called dynamic layering that allow us to create advertising experiences where we're looking to creative agencies to come onto the canvas and dream up what they can create. And it's really unique, the experiences we've been able to create.